Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now, verify the kit expiry and seals because an expired test gives unreliable results. Once checked, collect first morning urine for higher hormone concentration. If unavailable, any urine is okay but may dilute results. Make sure you have a clean cup and a timer set to the exact minutes indicated. Open the kit, remove the test cassette or strip, and follow the absorbent tip or dropper instructions immediately. Timing and sample quality determine accuracy, so act deliberately and steadily. You now apply the urine sample exactly as the instructions state. Either 1 or 2 drops with the supplied dropper or hold the absorbent tip in the urine stream for the recommended seconds. Once done, set your timer for the specific wait window, usually 3 to 5 minutes, because reading too early or too late changes interpretation. While waiting, lay the test flat on a stable, level surface away from sunlight and drafts. Make sure not to move it, which could smear lines and confuse the result. You finish by checking the control line first. If it's present, the test worked. Then look for a test line. 2 lines usually mean positive, 1 control line means negative, and no control line means invalid. If the test shows a very faint line, you may be in early pregnancy. Repeat the test in 48 to 72 hours or consult your provider for a quantitative blood test. If invalid, discard and retest with a new kit. Ensure you followed steps and used adequate sample volume.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.